The toilet roll holder in our downstairs toilet recently was pulled off the wall via the almighty strength only possessed by a toddler. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a few different ways that you can fix failed wall plugs just like these. I'll show you a few different fixes using different materials, so let's get straight into it. First up is one of the most common fixes, and that's going up a wall plug size. I used red 6mm plugs here, so I'm going to knock a brown 7mm plug into the hole that's opened up. For the second hole, I'm going to use the wooden dowel or plug method. This involves drilling out a hole and plugging it with a piece of wood like this. You can glue this to lock it in place, or if it's a tight fit, just knock it in. Once that's solid, you just need to drill a pilot hole and then you can screw directly into the wood. Another good fix to try if you're fixing into plasterboard is using a specific plasterboard fixing like this one. These ones screw in and bite into the plasterboard and provide a solid fixing into them. With 3 different fixings added, I can screw the toilet roll holder back onto the wall and it's nice and solid again, ready for a toddler to do pull-ups. Usually, one of these methods is going to work for fixing failed wall plugs, so give them a go if you've got any annoying loose fixings. If you have any tried and tested methods that you use, feel free to leave them down below in the comments. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.